welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have another Stitch Fix unboxing. I know, I just did one. They sent me another one. Let's go. It annoys my husband when people say, let's go! But I just did it, so. We have Stitch Fix. It's Stitch Fix. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I'll use a description down below. There's my referral link. You can get $25 towards your first box. We're gonna open her up with our trusty, rusty screwdriver. Here we go. Yeah, I know I wore stripes in my last video too. If you didn't see that one, it's over there and you can see the stripes. And at last I see the stripes. Anyway. Oh, come on, box. Oh, we did it. We did it. All right, they send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. And we have our style notes and our invoice. We'll go over the invoice at the end. My battery's probably gonna die. I don't know why that happens so often with me. Here we go. Hey Rachel, happy Fix Day. Fall is almost upon us, which means it'll soon be time for pumpkin spice lattes, college football, and trips to the pumpkin patch with friends and family. The start of a new season brings darker hues, cozy sweaters, and lots of layers. Please let me know if you have any specific occasions or items you'd like me to keep an eye out for to keep you well taken care of this fun-filled season. Keep in mind, you can always check out the shop feature in our app for some great finds as well. Now let's dig in. Dark denim are a closet staple because you can wear them day and night and dress them up or down. They'll look great with the mustard top and necklace fall red night out. I'm sending a cute and comfortable pair of joggers your way. And I don't know about you, but I pretty much have been living in joggers, XO Caitlin. Yeah, I'm gonna put some on when I'm done here. That's for sure. All right, let's see our bundle and she sent us jewelry. Oh, the jewelry almost fell. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we're still recording. Good. Here it is. Those must be the joggers. Which side's? Oh, this is the nice side. Ready? There it is. Okay, so first up, let's get into the jewelry. 41 Hawthorne Knox Chain Laureate in gold/silver. So it is gold and silver. Makes sense, does it not? Does it not? Okay. I mean, it is a little knotted. It's kind of pretty. Come on, untwist yourself. You can do it. We still have batteries. Here we go. You know, I always say like, oh, my battery's running out, but it really doesn't matter because I'm just gonna put a new battery in and it's just gonna be a seamless transition for you watching at home. So it really doesn't matter, does it? All right. Oh, so I think you just slip it on and then this bead moves it up. What do we think of that? You can't really see. It's quite long. I don't know how I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of it. Maybe it'll look nice. Up here, like, anybody else's, like, grandparents wear those bolo neckties or anything? That's what it reminds me of. And I think I'm just not a fan of it. But we'll try it on with this shirt. You know, maybe it's just not this shirt. But, like, these are gonna hang and, like, they're just gonna move around and I don't like that. I don't like it. I decided. I don't like it. Okay. Get it off me. Let's open up the bundle. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm not going to keep that. I'm more like into like the simple chains and stuff lately. I don't know. All right, bundle. Here we go. Oh, bundle. Here we have a beautiful yellow top. It's actually kind of pretty. It's Stitch Fix, Fortune and Ivy Agoston, A-G-O-S-T-O-N, lattice back detail knit top in mustard size large. Here is the back, a little nice sexy thing. You can layer it in the fall like she said, put frickin' cardigan over it or something. The bottom band is tighter. It's pretty cute. This is the beloved Pink Clover Nicole textured sweater, which I have in like 4 colors in XL, so I guess it is kind of time to stock up on the large size instead, I think. I think they're XLs. All my sweaters are put away for the summer. I'll have to look. So, just the classic, freaking love this sweater. It's like, it's kind of like a a light teal aqua, and then like a darker, like a blue and a gray and a cream. So that's pretty. And we have some jeans by Just USA, and the pink clover Nicole textured sweater is a exclusive. This is Just USA Rhea skinny button-up jean in indigo. This shirt is from Walmart. It was in the clearance. It was $4. It's just a nice basic t-shirt, but the seam right here is so itchy. Okay, anyway, button fly. Still trying to find a good button fly pair. Just regular old hem on the bottom. There's just like a teeny bit of distressing right there and a little bit on that leg. So seamless transition. So those are nice. And last we have some joggers. I think I might have like saved these. Like you can like kind of earmark which ones you want. 151 Jeremy Moto Zip Jogger in pink, size XL. They're kind of cute. They got some zippers there for the pockets. Are they real pockets? They're fake pockets though in the front. Oh, you're supposed to take that off. I don't know. Look, there's like fuzziness there. I don't know. So not real pockets. That is disappointing. What a zip jogger. But they are cute. They're really soft. Here's the bottom. There's a couple loose threads there. Who doesn't love loose threads? Okay, let's try things on. Well, I thought these joggers might be cute, but definitely the lack of pockets is really going to bother me. And also, I don't know if it's just because of it's pink or because of the material, but they're just showing like every single line. So it's like, I like to tuck my shirts in. You can see like my underwear line. You can see where the shirt line is. You can see where the shirt line is in the front. They're really soft, like they're really cute. The color wise, I think maybe it's just the material is just showing like everything. Definitely lack of pockets is a no-go for me. I'm always like putting my hand in my pocket. So, but they're cute. They're really stretchy. These are an XL. Really stretchy. They feel nice. Like they're really lightweight. They're good length. So it's kind of unfortunate, but that's the way sometimes. Yeah. Let's try on the jeans. Yellow top jeans. Here it is. No. Yellow top's really soft. It's very stretchy. It has a band on the bottom, which I don't mind. Instead of tucking it in, to have that kind of like tighter band right there. Here's the back. The back is where it's at. So it's pretty cute. I think this is cute. It's got like a nice texture to it too. You can see. I like the back. I would wear this at work. Here's the jeans. They're the button fly. I think this is like one of the better button fly pairs I've tried. I don't know if I need them right now. I gotta go through my jeans now that it's getting to be jean season. It's only like 68 out today. I know that's probably still pretty warm, but it's like really cloudy and cold when it was just 90 on Saturday. So yeah, these are geesty. We're getting there. We're getting closer. We are getting closer to finding some good button fly jeans. I'm trying to like tuck this in. I don't know if these jeans are a little too big still. I don't know. Here I am, awkwardly. So you could tuck this shirt in too and the band wouldn't be showing. And I think that's cute too. Right? The band's not showing? No, not really. So I think this shirt so far is a winner. You can put a cardigan over it too and it'd still have that nice V-neck. I think that's cute. I think that's cute for fall. I like it. I like this one. Okay, real time. Let's try on the sweater, the beloved Nicole sweater. I'm thinking, here's the Nicole sweater. It's just comfy, cozy. You know, I'm not sure. I'm liking more of like this solid Look. I like this. I like these stripes. I think these stripes are wide enough. It doesn't look too weird. But I've also been tucking my shirts in. I put on my regular jeans. I've also been tucking my shirts in though. So this whole bottom part would be like that. You know what I mean? So I'd be missing a whole square, but then it would be on my sleeves. Can I tuck this shirt? Hang on. Nicole. Still, it's such a cute. It's just so versatile. Okay, you can still tuck it in because it's thin enough. I think that looks really cute. That's my phone. Oh, do I like this or do I like this one? This is a classic. Classic sweater. Oh man. Oh man, I'm torn. I don't know. I do already have other yellow shirts that I can wear under cardigans. This one is very versatile because look, it looks cute tucked. It's got just the 3 colors then right there, and then you still get the light color on the sleeves. Or you can wear it untucked over like leggings or something. Yeah, I think this is the winner. And I match with the wall, so that's cool. Okay, this is probably the winner. It's the winner. I giggled, it's the winner. So let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Yeah, I forgot to say in the beginning, I checked out of my last Stitch Fix. I didn't keep anything and they were like, oh, do you want a box real quick? We'll send you one since you didn't like anything. And I was like, sure. So, long story short, just USA, the Rhea Mid-Rise Exposed Button Fly in indigo, size 14, $58. It's getting close. 151 Jeremy Moto Zip Jogger in pink, size XL, $38. They were really comfy, but the lack of pockets, man. Fortune and Ivy, Augustin Lattice Back Detail Mustard Top, $38, size large. The Knox Chain Lariat Necklace by Berry Jewelry, $28. And the Pink Clove, it felt like, oh, this says Berry Jewelry. This one says 41 Hawthorne, so I don't know. The Pink Clover Nicole Textured Sweater in blue, size large, $46. I think that's gonna be the keeper. Oh, she's just so warm and cozy and comforting. I like her. Okay, so Stylist Pick subtotal 208. Okay, no wonder this shirt is like freaking on clearance at Walmart. It was literally $4. There's like this seam in here. It's so itchy. So lesson learned. $4 Walmart shirt. It will now be a shirt that I wear while I paint these rooms up here. I definitely didn't buy it in another color too. I did. 208 Stylist Pick subtotal. If you get everything, you get 25% off, so make the box $156. That's a good price box. Everything was cute, it was just a little off. Oh, I have credit. Thank you guys so much for signing up. If you sign up, it gives me credit too. So it would be $131 for the whole box. So it was a pretty good box. All right, I think I'm gonna keep the Nicole Textured Sweater because I'm a sucker for the Nicole Textured Sweater by Pink Clover. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to try Stitch Fix, again, my referral link's down below. You can use it if you want to. I would get credit too. Appreciate it. Helps me get this Nicole Textured Sweater. Take a shot every time you hear me say Nicole Textured Sweater. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.